Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this wig is from the company by the name of RoyalMe. As you guys can see, you get some little bows in the bag and also the box, and also this wig. Well, I'm not sure if the bows come with it or you could add it as an additional charge. But yes, you get this the wig. The wig does come with combs, and also it comes with an adjustable strap. I'm sorry. So I'm just showing you guys the little bows that come with it. Also, there's a little sheet that comes in the bag that shows you how certain people are wearing the bows with their unit. The wig does come with an adjustable cap. As you guys can see, if you do want to wear the wig glueless, you will need to adjust the cap and also adjust the elastic band. So I'm just showing you guys how easy it is to put the wig on. This is what it looks like straight out of the box. It does have this little curl to it. I guess that's what's going on, but I'm going to try to play around with it a little bit, and eventually I'll just flat iron it later on in the video. So that's what the hairline looks like. As you guys can see, I didn't do any plucking or anything. All I did was cut the lace off. I'm taking like this claw comb and I'm trying to kind of make this style kind of work, but I don't know. I'm not really feeling the curl that it came with. So I'm going in, I'm kind of curling it. I'm trying to kind of get a feel for the hair to see kind of how I want it and things like that. So as you guys can see, I'm just playing around with it. So I'm just going in and flat ironing the hair. I just rather wear it straight. So this is what it looks like. Also, I do not have any adhesive on there, and as you can see, it looks very natural. So I'm just going in with some of this gel. Because of the particular style that I want to wear, I do want to hold down my ear tabs, but you definitely do not have to do this step. Okay, you can wear the wig completely glueless if you'd like. So I'm just going in and kind of styling it. I was kind of thinking like a Leah vibes while playing with this wig, so I'm just gonna style it and also add some of the clips to it. And yeah, stay tuned for my final thoughts. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so you guys have already seen me pretty much style this wig. So of course I didn't have to do a lot because the wig already comes styled. Okay, so this wig is, and I say this a lot about this company, it's more so for like people, it's for everybody really, but if you want something that you do not have to pluck, bleach, or do anything to, just like a wig that you can get out of the box and put on, I would suggest this wig for you. You do not need any glue or gel. However, I did use gel on this wig just on the sides to hold down my ear tabs. Okay, so if you plan on wearing your hair up or anything like that, then you will need to add a little bit of gel and or glue, whichever you prefer. All right, so the wig did come with these little clips, these little hair treats, hair bows. It did come with that. So the new trend that's in now, a lot of people are into the big gaudy like hair bows and things like that. I think it's really cute. Paired with a nice outfit, you could really pull it off. Okay, so I just chose to go with this style. I feel like it's kind of like every time like I do my hair like this, I feel like, I don't know, like I'm like a Leah, like, you know, because she wear her hair like this and I think it's just super cute. So the wig did come with this curl, so I didn't really want to wear the hair like that, want to wear the wig like that. So I just went in and flattened it, flat ironed it. I might just go in a little later and put a bunch of like curls in it, but you guys know I don't really like curling my hair. But it did already come with the curl, so if you like that curl, of course you can keep that in the hair. Okay, so I do have the specs on my phone. This is a 14-inch wig. The cap size is a large. You guys know that I have a lot of hair, so their large cap sizes fit me very well. And I also have the light brown fake scalp color. So this wig does come with the fake scalp, so you do not have to wear a wig cap or anything with it, and it does make everything look a lot more natural. So that is what that wig is looking like. I didn't pluck it or anything. All I did was cut the lace off. Okay. And also I will have a code down below in case you guys want to purchase this wig or check out their website. They do have a section on the website that is geared towards celebrity styles. They look like, you know, like the way celebrities wear their hair. They're like remake wigs on there. Okay, so this is where the wig pretty much falls on me. I am 5'7", so it comes at a really nice natural length. It looks like really, it looks super natural actually. Let me take this clip off so you guys can see pretty much what this wig looks like. And the wig is super versatile, so you can definitely part this wig anywhere. I don't want to mess up my my little swoop because I do have holding spray on it, but the wig is super versatile. You can part the wig anywhere. You don't just have to wear it in this part. If you want a middle part or you like wearing your hair on the other side, of course you can do that. All right, so like I said, I would suggest this wig. At the beginning of the video I did show you guys how I adjusted the elastic band and also the wig cap. That's going to play a big part when you want to wear the wig glueless. You have to make sure you utilize the adjustable cap and the elastic band. I don't too much use the combs that come in wigs just because I just don't, or whatever. Most of the time I cut them out. The only one that I use is the one at the nape because I feel like it comes in a lot of handy. Even when I kind of want to pull my hair back in a ponytail, I feel like it comes in handy. So anyways guys, I really don't want to ramble through this video. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below. Sorry. Also, the links to this wig would be down below, and a code, all right, that you can use on the site in case you are looking into getting this wig. Let me know if you guys are looking into getting this wig. What do you think about it? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Did you like the curl in it before I flat ironed it, or do you like it better flat ironed? All right, leave it down below and we'll talk about it in the next video.